Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to today's webinar. And this is yours truly, Rocky Echampong, and welcome to today's webinar. Guys, let me ask you these few questions. Are you tired of not being financially free? Are you tired of your 9-to-5 jail? If you answer to any of these questions is yes, now I'm going to say congratulations in advance, because this is going to help you a lot. Okay, just stay tuned, and I'm going to show you this awesome opportunity that I came across. And I tell you, in fact, I dare you to tell you that this is going to change your lives. Okay, so just hang on. Let me show you this. All right. Now, let me introduce you to this company. This company's name is Financial Education Services, as it says on my screen right now. Okay, and what we do is we actually deal with financial education. Okay, so before I start anything, let me ask you these few questions. How many people do you know that have less than perfect credit? Okay, that have, they don't have the financial affairs in order. Okay, that have debt and have no game plan on paying it. Okay, they dislike their current job and are looking for a change. Guys, how many people do you know that need to make more money? Simply that. Okay, I can tell you that millions. Okay, you are one of them. For you watching this video, you are one of them. All right. Finally, let me ask you, how many people do you know that are not where they want to be in life just due to financial situations? Okay, if your answer to any of these questions is yes, stay tuned, because I'm about to blow your mind. Now, the solution to all of these questions is what we call Financial Education Services, this company. And what this company does is, we're found in 2004, okay? We have A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We are debt-free and have over 100% in annual sales growth, okay? Our mission is basically to educate people based on credit and financial education. Now, what we provide is two things, basically. We have services that provide your identity, credit, family, and finances, and we have a lucrative and life-changing business opportunity, okay? Now, with the services that we provide, now, let me tell you a little bit about the cost of bad credit, or what bad credit could actually cost you in your lifetime. Guys, your credit is constantly monitored and can impact everything from your interest rates to your insurance premiums, okay? Your credit, without a strong credit score, guys, you could be denied the ability to rent, purchase, obtain credit cards, or even be denied when offering employment, okay? A low credit score could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. Guys, it could cost you millions of dollars in your lifetime, all right? Now, this is how your portal or your dashboard is going to look like, okay? You have your initial score, okay? I hope your score is not 544, but if it is, we got you, okay? The pie chart shows you how your credit score is calculated, all right? You have access to your credit report. You have your process report. You can download your dispute forms from here. You have your ID documents, understanding your dispute letters, credit education, establishing credit. Guys, we know not everybody have bad credit. Some people just basically don't have, trade lines or how to put stuff on your credit report. Okay, so establishing credit is over there. Debt and collections, students and seniors info. Guys, we've been doing this for 14 years. Okay, this year we're making 15. We removed up to 1 million, derogatory items. We have awesome customer involvement. We involve the customers in what we do, so they know exactly what we do, okay? We have the best live customer support ever, all right? Now, what we do is that we leverage the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which gives us the right to investigate dispute and every negative item on your credit report, okay? We help you identify and challenge all inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items like late payments, collections, bankruptcies, judgments, foreclosures, public records, settlements, personal information, and etc. Okay, there's a lot more. Now, this is one of our features or one of our services. It's called My Care Plan, and it consists of 4 things. Okay, wills, trust, power of attorney, both financial and healthcare, guys. There is no add-on surprise. There's no unlimited, there's unlimited updates to members, okay? It's developed by our attorneys. You have complete access to it whenever or wherever, okay? Now, included in the service, or the FES protection plan is credit builder. Once again, we know not everybody has bad credit. Some actually don't have credit at all, looking for ways to build up the credit. This is where credit builder comes in. We have credit attorneys for all those hard to remove negative items on your credit report and to deal with all those harassing phone calls from collections and other companies. Now we have credit monitoring, okay? We monitor your credit 24/7, gives you updates as to whenever there's a change in your credit, and you have access to your credit report 24/7. Now, we have Debt Zero. Debt Zero is a budgeting tool, okay? You put all your debts and your accounts in there, and it helps you pay off in time in order of priority, okay? We have LifeLock, guys. This is enough due diligence, okay? LifeLock decided to, we have a partnership with LifeLock, and it's only fair that once you got your credit fixed, you're in the 800s, you don't fall victim to identity theft, because someone can steal your credit or steal your identity and mess up your credit. Guys, we have Financial Lock Box. It's an online safety deposit box for all your financial passwords and accounts. You can actually store where you keep your second batch of keys, you know, extra keys, anything where set the beneficiary, and in case you're incapacitated, you have someone to access it in your absence. Now we have RX discount cards, which can give you up to 85% on your prescription cards. We have travel discounts. We have travel portal. Okay, you can book flights. You can book hotels, whatever, rental cars, whatever from there. Of course, under the discount. And we have a cashback shopping portal. Okay, we have a partnership with over 4,000 shops. Okay, you buy from them, you have the cash back at the end of, I think, 90 days or between 60 and 90 days. Now, we have YFL Family Meds. It's our way of giving back to the community. We go back into schools and then educate kids from the age of 8 to 18 about personal financing. We have health insurance plans. Okay, we give you options between 3, you compare, and then you choose. Now, we have the term life insurance for all our agents. Okay, we give you up to $100,000 in life insurance. Okay, again, this is only for agents. Now, going back to Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, the YFL, this is so far what we've given to the YFL family. Okay, we give out scholarships to kids in school before college or maybe college freshmen. Okay, we donated out up to $785,000 from the year 2018. And this year we'll be doing some more. Now, this is a summary of the whole protection plan membership. Okay, we have all of these services, and mind you, your wills, trust, power of attorneys. Once you go to any lawyer or attorney to get this thing set up, they start talking from between the, from $1,000. That's the basic. Okay, and then they work their way up. So you should know that alone is even more important. It's even more costly. It's the most expensive of the whole thing, right? LifeLock alone costs you up to $400 a month or $400 for coverage, okay? So the shocker is it's a one-time $99 activation fee and $89 a month. Guys, this is mind-blowing. I was like, the first time I came across this, guys, it was crazy. So let's talk about a few additional services sold individually by the company. We have the MyCare plan, the credit monitoring, the identity theft, all the way to secure cards and credit analyzers. Okay, this is a new feature in our services. It's called Credit My Rent, and with this, we could go back to 2 years and start recording your payments of your rent as a new trade line for your credit. Now, this is where the money comes in. I want to hear everybody say money, money, money. Now, let's talk about the business opportunity. The main reasons why a whole lot of people are in here, or a whole lot of people are watching this video. Now, there are 2 ways to build money with this company, okay? There's establishing accounts and business development. Establishing accounts deal with obtaining personal clients and exposing the FES protection plan to a lot of people. The second part is the business development, where you train, recruit, develop, manage your own team across the US. Now, let me ask you, how many people do you know control their income schedule, advancement, benefits, retirement, and future? Obviously, if somebody that says no to the very first question, trust me, the last question obviously is a no. Now, let me introduce you to how you get paid, the very first way you get paid, which is personal sales commission. Now, for being an agent, for bringing anybody or any customer to have their credit repaired, or referring anybody to have their credit repaired, you get paid $100 flat. You bring in 3 people, that's $300. And this is paid weekly, guys. It is paid weekly. Now, for every single person that you have to get your credit repaired, you also get residuals on them. You get $12 for every single person. And trust me, guys, this goes to unlimited levels. Okay, you can get as many people as you want. Now, let's talk about the compensation scenario. Okay, this is a strive for 5, and later on you see the reason why we say strive for 5. Let's say you have 5 people or 5 customers a month. That's $500. Okay, you have 10 customers a week. That's $4,000 a month, guys. It's simple math. Just do the math. Let's say you go above and beyond. You decide to up your game. Okay, you go 20 customers a week, guys. That's $100,000 a year. There are people in this company blowing this off. So I want you to take advantage of this. Now, let's talk about the second way of getting getting paid. It's called a customer acquisition bonus. Now, for being an agent, you only get $100 for bringing in another agent plus your residual. Okay. The next thing is a field trainer. Once you get 2 agents, okay, and 5 customers, all right, you rank up and become a field trainer. With that, you get an increase. You get a raise in your paycheck. Okay, for every single person you bring in, you get $160 and your residual. This goes up to senior field trainer. The same thing, 2 agents, 2 more agents, and then a couple customers. Okay, you get $240 for every single person. The next person or the next rank is the sales director. Guys, for the first time, you go beyond your initial investment. Okay, you get $380 for every single person you bring in. Now, this is a rank, the range of rank that we have for now. There are more ranks to it, but let's limit ourselves to this. Okay, we can earn from between $100 all the way to $550 as a senior vice president. Okay, and the ranks just keep going up. Now, we are paid to unlimited levels, guys. It's cash in, cash out. The amount of effort you put in this company is what the amount you get in cash. Okay. Now, bonuses are paid weekly, and it's awesome. Let's look at the scenario again. Let's say you're a sales director, okay, and you have, on this map you have about 23 or 24 people on this map. Guys, you'll be cashing out up to $5,000 every month. Okay, this is cap bonuses, guys. Residuals are not in this. This is awesome. Okay, so using this scenario, if you did this once a month, that's $5,000 a month. If you did this once in a week, that's $20,000. Do the math. So in this slide, we have up to 6 lines or 6 generations down, and this sums up to 19,530 protection plan members or customers or agents, or a combination of both. Now, once you get 5 people, okay, your $89 a month you pay is waived because you're still a customer once you're an agent. You also enjoy the coverage that a customer does and more. Okay, but once you get 5 people, it's waived and you're all set. Now, looking at this scenario, you'll be making $75,000 a month, guys, a month. Let's say this is a little bit too perfect. We live in an imperfect world. So let's say some people are going to bring in 2 people, others are going to bring in 1, others will do 3. So let's say you took this a little slow paced, and then you made just 10% of that. That is $7,500, guys. That's crazy. Let's say you took this on a very, very low pace. You're doing it very, very part-time, and you did 1% of that. Guys, that's $750. You know the number of people who need $750? The number of people who need just $400 to pay off the rent? Others that need that same money to pay off the car notes? Guys, this can even pay off 2 car notes. Okay? Now, if what I said was too much for you, it's blowing up your mind, listen to this. You're going to get shocked some more. This is just an icing on the cake to reward those who put in extra effort in this company. It's called the R&R Club. It's called the Rest and Relaxation and Retirement Club. Okay? The very first level of this this club, the company gives you $600 monthly check to go pick up a car of your choice between an Audi, Cadillac, and Mercedes-Benz. Guys, that is awesome. Your car is paid for, okay? The next level is a one-time $10,000 cash bonus. The third level is a $1,500 auto expense allowance. It's an increase from the first one, okay? So if you want another car, you could use it. If you want to upgrade the car that you had before, you could use it. In fact, if you don't want to use the whole thing, the rest of it is going to get stored in an escrow account, okay? The next level is one-time $25,000 cash bonus. The next is the part that blows my mind beyond, okay? You get a $5,000 monthly, guys, monthly payment, you know, and an option to upgrade to a Bentley, guys, a Bentley given to you for free by the company, okay? Now you got your car note paid for, you got your house paid for, you get bonuses, you get, you know, multiple streams of income in one company. Why wouldn't you do this? Okay, now this is a few of the people, before there was an upgrade into having 3 choices of cars. Before it was just an Audi. So these are a few other people. We couldn't possibly put some on the mountain because it would look so unrealistic. Okay, now this is a few pictures of the convention that we went to, last year. I mean, in February of this year. Okay, and a lot of people won a lot of cash. Some were awarded. You know, there was a lot of awards in here. Okay, Nicholas Smith Jackson, the lady on the lower right bottom corner, Alfred Nixon, the gentleman on the lower left bottom corner. You know, he's 25 years old. He's making strides, guys. There's a lot of success in this company, and there's a lot of leaders to guide you to where you need to be. Guys, to enroll to become an agent, it's only going to cost you $288, guys. It's going to cost you $199 enrollment and $89 for the membership. And mind you, once you get 5 people, that $89 is waived. So that's it. Okay, so what you get is a personalized sales website, 2 FES Connect mobile enhanced website, okay, an online training platform to understand the business, an online business office with reports and sales tracking system, exceptional live and customer support team at the corporate office. We have conference call training. We have access to compliant marketing materials, and we get paid weekly, plus whatever a customer gets from credit restoration to, whatnot, all right? Now, additionally, to become an agent or for being an agent, you get the up to $100,000 in life insurance coverage. Now, to get success or to get started with the training in this company, we direct you to this website called Success with FES. It tells you what you need to do in the first week, what you need to get started, and we give you an awesome video library, videos covering every step of the way in this company. Now, let me ask you, who do you know that has less than perfect credit, does not have a will trust pro for 20, who has debt and would benefit from a system to pay it off, works in a credit-related industry like real estate, mortgage, auto banking, okay, who's looking for part-time or full-time income, who is frustrated with their current career and needs to change, guys, who wants to be financially free, okay? So how you expose this business to a lot of people or as a new agent, guys, all you got to do is build a relationship between you and the prospects, send the prospects our way, we close them for you, we send them back to you, and that's it. You're done. It's just as easy. We'll do the hard work for you, okay? All you got to do is edify us, send your prospect to us, and then we do the hard work for you. Now, what is your level of interest? Let's say you were a 1. I already have a current, excellent credit. I have a job, I have a business, pays me a lot. I love what I do. But hey, I can provide you referrals. I'm like, awesome. Just send them our way. We like that. Okay. Or let's say you're a 2. Rocky, I'm interested in, I have my credit is shot. I need to just repair it. Awesome. Just come along. You sure? We get you. Or let's say you were a 3. Rocky, my credit is shot, but I love to make money with this company and get my credit repaired. Awesome. When do you want to get started? Right away? Well, that said, I'm going to introduce you and welcome you to the FES family. Okay, so awesome, awesome, awesome. This is great. I'm glad that you want to start with this company, and we have a long way to go. All right. So whoever shared this video with you, go back to that person, tell them your interest or how interested you are, get started today, and we'll see you at the top. Take care and have a nice day.